Welcome to the Transit Centre at Pye Motors here in Morecambe. This is a Transit Connect Limited. It's the short wheelbase version, 120 PS 1.5 TDCi in race red. With it being the Limited, you get the body coloured bumpers, so it's race red all the way around. You also get the alloy wheels. In the load compartment of the vehicle, you've got the Ford Easy Clean floor down there, a bit of interior protection, as well as the LED load compartment lights. Makes a big difference this time of year, makes everything a lot brighter in the back. Now again, as it's the Limited, you get a heated driver's seat and air conditioning. You've got a handy little screen there which controls your DAB digital radio, Bluetooth connectivity to your phone. You've also got cruise control controlled there off the steering wheel. And one of the good features about this van is this has got the seat pack in that allows you to fold down the far passenger seat there. When you do, you can use the load through bulkhead hatch to put through any longer items you may be carrying in the load compartment. I'll give you a demonstration of that now. Now by simply pulling that red tag just here, the seat folds down flat with channels there to hold anything you may be putting through, and this hatch here pushes out and sticks with a magnet to the bulkhead. So anything, as I say, that you have that's too long for the load compartment, you do get a lot of extra room to push through into the driver's cabin. A really handy feature of this van. So that's the Transit Connect Limited short wheelbase in race red. As I said, this is the 120 PS 1.5 TDCi manual. If you need any further information on the vehicle, you want any quotes arranging or to book a test drive, please give us a call on 01524 598 598.